Hello, I worked recently on fun project to create game using WinCC Unified. I will share with you how game which is based on Space Invaders is built, and explain some basics of scripts running the game. I'm using Unified Comfort Panel, but game will work on PC runtime too. I will add new device and create first screen. Now, important part is to name each object correctly, because script will be looking for it. Bottom row will be IMV0, then one up will be IMV1, and so on. Now we can center column and clone it 10 times. Now we need to create play area. For this, I will use rectangle. Give it a black background and a name. Call it playfield. I can use this name later in script. Player is added next. Resize and give it a name. Player control is done via buttons. I will create left, right, and start buttons. Let's create a global script which will handle our game. Give it a name. We will later use that name to reference script for button. Here, inside global definition, our script will be written. I am not going to cover all scripting and go to details. JavaScript programming is a topic for another video. I will start with player movement to test basics. At start, I create some variables and constants to handle player movement. To continuously execute script, I will add loop with token control. TickMS will be set to 60 milliseconds, that is time how often loop is called. For debugging, I will add log function that can then feed info to trace viewer. To get objects from HMI screen, I will create two functions, try get and rec. If object isn't found, it will give me error. ScreenRef.findItem will try to look for objects on screen. That clamp function forces a number to stay inside a range. Main loop will be called every 60 milliseconds. At start, we will update token. Inside the loop, we have logic to get player and playfield objects, and then manipulate player position by left-right buttons within play area. For buttons control, we will add 3 export functions. Start function initiates variables and start loop. We log message that game started. If something is missing, then we throw error. And last 2 lines are for left and right control. Now we need to trigger script from buttons on HMI. Switch to script view, and first we declare global reference. Here, Space Invaders is an exact name of our global module. I can access now left button function. Repeat this for right button. And finally call start function. So the name is as our functions, which we'll show you quickly. Let's start HMI and check if player movement works. I will start Trace Viewer 2 to check for errors and messages. Now press the start and let's see what happens. Player is moving left and right, and it stops when hits edge of the screen. And in Trace Viewer, we can see our message, game started. Time for player and invader bullets. And this is my final design. Final script has nearly 1,000 lines of code. I added difficulty, so enemy speed and fire interval progresses as more enemies are killed. There are functions to detect collisions and destroy objects. Let me know if you want copy of the script. Contact details should be in video description. Let's see it in action.